Hello and welcome. CHEP has designed a new invoice to present information in a simpler format. We have engaged with several customers throughout the design process, and we are pleased to say that the response to the changes we are introducing has been very positive. Our goal was to make the invoice easier to understand and to present information that helps with reconciling transactions and controlling CHEP equipment. For clarity, we are not changing the way that hire charges or sundry fees are calculated. Changes are contained to how and where information is displayed on the invoice. We have taken the opportunity to add features, such as an Excel download of the transaction list, and including links to information that may be helpful and relevant to providing services to our customers. The invoice is divided into 5 sections for easy navigation and quick access to important account details and insights. The 5 sections are Tax Invoice, Invoice Details, Transaction List, Spend Analysis, Activity Analysis. The new CHEP invoice leverages the best of the old with a modern look and feel. To really understand CHEP's daily hire model and how hire charges are calculated, we suggest watching the Invoice Explainer videos.